Hi, welcome to TechBee. Today we are going to discuss about Accenture direct hiring process. Before that, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates. A link is provided in the description box. Please click the link and go to the page. Before we start our registration, we have to keep three things ready with us. First is resume, second is color passport size photograph, and third is PAN card. As we see, this is the sample given to understand and then proceed for registration. After completion of security verification, click next. This is the registration form page. We will start our registration. This is the direct hiring process. Job role is Associate Software Engineer. Please carefully go through the job description and find the details. Here it is given source details. How did you find the job or know about the job? Select one of these. You can select social media advertisement, and the type of social media advertisement is Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook and others. You can select any one of these. Next is personal details. Your gender, your first name, your middle name, your last name, university registration number, email ID, mobile number, WhatsApp number, if you have any alternate mobile number, your date of birth, current location. Next is educational details. Select your highest education profile, education type, undergraduate or postgraduate. If you are from BE BTech background, you are undergraduate. If you are from MCA, you are postgraduate. Select your college name from the list. Don't type others. If your college name is not available in the list, then please click here to raise the query. Then select your branch. As you see, all the branches are eligible for this drive. Year of passing: 2019, 2020 and 2021 pass out batch are eligible for this drive. Then percentage or CGPA. Then professional details: total year of experience, no experience 1 to 6 months, 7 to 11 months. If you are a fresher, then select no experience. Are you working currently? Then no. Do you have any offer in hand? No. If selected, how much time would you require to join? Select if you are available immediately. Next is skill details. Select your primary skill from the list. You can select your skill C, C++, Java, Android, .NET, anything what you have. Next is where you have used it, like your college project or something. If you are a fresher, you can select college project. Next is certification details. If you have any certification in any language, any skills you have, then you can select the certificate from the list. Certification 1, there are so many options are there, and likewise certification 2, there are so many options are there. You can select your certification details, certification 1, certification 2. If you know other language and you have certification, then you can mention like French, German, Japanese, Mandarin, Spanish, etc. Next is preferred job location. Preferred job location 1, there are so many options are there. As for your convenience, you can select 1, 2 and 3. Next is other details. Gap in education. If you have gap, then you mention. Otherwise, you can select no gap. Have you worked in Accenture before? Select no. Any standing backlogs? No. Have you appeared for an assessment for Accenture in last 3 months? Select no. Are you Indian? Select Indian. Upload your resume. Supported file format is .doc or PDF format and size is 1 MB. Upload your passport size photograph, JPG format, PNG format, maximum size is 3 MB. Next, upload your college iCard if you have. Government photo iCard, previously said it was PAN card. If you have person with disability, then give your details. Next, come to the declaration. Yes, tick the mark. Yes, I agree, I agree, I agree. Then submit. Click here if you need any assistance on your registration form help. Here it is given all the details, your registration process step by step. Go through it carefully, and your assessment process, your requirements for the laptops, your test interviews, all the details. Your system requirements for cognitive, technical and coding assessment like laptop or desktop. Don't use mobile phone or tablet, Windows 8 or Windows 10, secure browser, 4GB RAM, i3 processor, etc. Don't skip or close. At the end, I have summarized the assessment details. Here is 3 assessment round: assessment 1, assessment 2 and assessment 3. Assessment 1. Total time is 90 minutes, total questions 90, cognitive 50, technical questions 40. Cognitive assessment includes English ability, analytical reasoning, numerical ability, and technical assessment includes common application and MS Office, pseudocode, fundamentals of networking security and cloud. Assessment 2. Total duration is 45 minutes and total questions are 2. Coding assessment. Questions must be solved using any one of the following languages: C, C++, .NET, Java and Python. Assessment 3. Total duration is 35 minutes approximately. This is communication assessment round. You will receive a separate email with timelines and login details to participate in this assessment. Communication assessment will assess you on the below mentioned parameters like sentence mastery, vocabulary, fluency and pronunciation. Let's see some useful tips.